we got this grapevine. These are muscadine,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
When we moved here, we had grapes on the other side, but they didn't live. I don't think they lived because they didn't have any pollinators or any way to pollinate. But these are huge. These have been here for a long time. You think that these are alive. Looks like this one's dead. But I think this one.
Yeah, that one's alive.
That one's alive. It goes all the way to the top. This one looks alive. But they're all over. So they just started growing up there. All the way to the all the way over there to the top of the tree.
Mm-hmm.
See over there? Wow. And then got them growing here. We had grapes on the other side. Take it here, right? Oh yeah, there it is.
Yes.
The big one right there. So we're going to try to grow grapes. So what we're going to do is probably on this side, yeah, right here, we're going to plant some it just says GMO free.
No, at the top.
Yeah, but it says late summer harvest.
Yeah, the Muscadine.
So this is the
Triumph.
Muscadine Triumph. Hopefully by the late summer we'll have some grapes. But we do in our vineyard, and that's for another video. But we're gonna do a vineyard over there. But this one, it looks like it's supposed to attract bees. But here soon I'm gonna be installing some beehives by the garden, so that's going to be a nice project. But today we're going to put this on the ground. And when do we plant this type of grapes? It says, I think we are in this
January through May.
January through May. So anytime now to get that late harvest in the summer. So let's do this. Okay, the reason we're gonna put it here, because once this grapes start growing, they're just gonna climb all the way to the top. So we're gonna need a trellis. There's no need for that in this location because we already have a giant tree with grapevines already. They go all the way to the top. So I wonder how long that's been there. Anyway, we're gonna dig a hole with a coastal digger. This soil looks like clay.
Well, we're going to put some potting mix. It'll be all right. Muscadine are native to this part of Texas.
Do we have another type of grape?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What if I plant two?
They'll cross-pollinate, and so the wild muscadine are kind of bitter and tart, and they will cross with the sweet grapes, and then you'll have seedy, tart grapes.
I want to make wine out of it.
Yeah, you can, certainly.
All right, is that good enough? Yeah.
Yes, that's more than enough.
So I'm gonna put
I'm recording.
all right, so I'm gonna put some potting soil. Wow, smells pretty good. And we're gonna do is just put one scoop in there. Give it a little kick. You know what I'm doing? What I'm doing here, I'm gonna put some nutrients at the bottom. Ah! What's this? Rope. And I'm gonna put another scoop of dirt. Not too much. That's good. And another scoop of potting mix, potting soil. Now we're gonna get this. That was bad. Sweat. Oh.
Mm-mm.
No?
No, the plug needs to be even with the ground. Yeah, bring it up. Yeah.
Not like that.
Mm-hmm. And then just fill around it.
With potting soil.
Yeah.
No. Make sure it's stirring. That's it. Good. Oh. And the reason we're not using the native dirt is because this is all clay and sand, very sandy, very green. So we're gonna put some potting soil around it. We're not gonna water it because it's gonna storm today. And I'm hoping to have grapes at the end of the summer. Well, another reason I'm doing this is going to attract a lot of deer. Deer love grapes. Deer love sweet fruit. I remember last summer they were coming from the house. Okay, so we just put more dirt and some more potting soil around. Had to press down on it to eliminate any air bubbles, but I'm gonna go ahead and just lay it on here, and it's just going to grow all the way to the top. And I'm hoping I get some nice grapes. Anyways, like and subscribe and let me know what you think.